What is baking to me? I think just like expressing yourself. You start with cake, which is the same, and then you can make it literally anything you want. I start off with a cake mix. I hate to say it because I want to start making it homemade because I think it probably tastes so much better, but I love to focus on the decorations and just decorating the cake. But yeah, I start with that and I bake it. And then the key is to let it chill in the freezer. So you stick it in the freezer once it's done. And then after that, a couple minutes in there, you trim up the cake so the top is flat. And then you just start icing the cake. With the icing that you made, I use just butter, powdered sugar, and then a little bit of vanilla and milk to make it like a better consistency. But yeah, so after that you just assemble, and that's the fun part. Once you bake the cake and make the icing, you just go to town and it's a blast.